Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make this beautiful carnelian and pearl bracelet. This design is simple, budget-friendly, and made entirely with fishing line. No crimps, no wire, and no special tools needed. Before we get started, let me show you the other bracelets. Blue jade and pearl bracelet. Calm and graceful, with a subtle sparkle that catches the light beautifully. Multi-gemstone and pearl bracelet. Colorful and lively, made with a mix of blue chalcedony, garnet, fluorite, and amethyst. Carnelian and pearl bracelet. Warm and timeless, perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Now, let's look at the length of each bracelet. The blue jade one is 7 inches long without the clasp and chain. The multi-gemstone bracelet is 6 inches long without clasp and chain. And the one we're making today will be 6.5 inches long. The multi-gemstone has 16.6mm gemstones. The carnelian bracelet has 18.6mm stones. And the blue jade one uses 28.6 by 4mm gemstones. To adjust the size for your wrist, simply change the number of gemstone beads. Before introducing today's materials, let's look at the materials for the other bracelets. Now, let's look at materials for today's project. Materials for the 6.5-inch carnelian and pearl bracelet. 18 carnelian beads 6mm. 5 pearls 6mm. For spacer beads 6mm. 1 lobster clasp. 2 inches of link chain. If your clasp is too large for your chain, you can use a jump ring instead. And of course, you can use any clasp style you prefer. Scissors. 10 pounds fishing line. For the charm. For pearls 4 millimeters. 1 seed bead 11/0. 4 pounds fishing line. All right, let's get started and make the carnelian and pearl bracelet together. Prepare a 10 pounds fishing line and cut it to about 30 inches. Add a few inches if making a longer bracelet. It's easier to work if you color the line ends. Place the materials in order: clasp 1 spacer, 9 carnelian beads 1 spacer, 5 pearls 1 spacer, 9 carnelian beads 1 spacer, and chain. Hold one end of the thread and pass it through the clasp. I will call the line thread from now on. Now, hold both ends together. And start threading the bead in order. First, add 1 spacer bead. Then, add 9 carnelian beads. Next, add 1 spacer bead. Then 5 pearls. Now that the 5 pearls are on, add 1 spacer bead. We have 10 beads left to add. We'll separate the threads about 1 inch before the last bead. So for now, let's add 5 carnelian beads using both threads together. Now, it's time to separate the thread. Hold just one thread and leave the other aside. Add the remaining beads, 4 carnelian beads and 1 spacer. Once you've added all the beads, pass the thread through the end of the chain. Then, thread back through the beads you just added, until it meets the other thread you left behind. Once they meet, tie 2 secure knots. Once the knots are tied, pass the shorter end back through the beads toward the chain. When you reach the last bead, pass through the chain and back through the beads again to reinforce the end. After passing through a few beads, tie a knot. Then, pass through a few more beads and tie another knot. Once you've passed through a few more beads, trim off the excess thread. Now let's take care of the other thread. You'll do the same steps with the other thread, going in the opposite direction. Thread through the last bead. Go through the clasp. Then thread back through the beads again. Once you've gone through a few beads, tie a knot. Pass through a few more beads, then tie another knot. Go through a few more beads, then trim off the excess thread. Alright, if you're not adding any charms, your bracelet is done. Now, let's make a charm. We'll make the same charm as this one. You'll need for 4mm pearls, 1 seed bead, and 4 pounds fishing line. Cut about 10 inches of the fishing line. I'll call the line thread from here on. Hold one end of the thread and pass it through the last link of the chain. Now add a seed bead. Pass one thread through from one side and the other from the opposite side, then pull both ends. Add 1 pearl and do the same thing as you did with the seed bead. Now, add 2 pearls onto 1 thread. And add the last pearl onto the other thread. Pass the thread with 1 pearl through the top pearl on the other side, going in the opposite direction. Now, just pass through the pearls once more to reinforce the charm. When the threads meet, tie a knot. Then, thread again, making sure that threads meet at a different spot for the knot. When they meet again, tie double knots to secure it. Finally, pass each thread end through the opposite pearls and trim the excess. All finished, now you can enjoy your stunning new bracelet.